Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roblox Error Code 0 Authentication Failed on Windows. Okay, first things first, temporary server issues or maintenance can cause authentication problems. So, what you want to do is to visit the Roblox server status page to check for any reported server issues. If there are server problems, you'll need to wait until they are resolved. If none of the previous method works, consider reinstalling your Roblox. Uninstall Roblox from your system via the control panel. Restart your computer, then download the latest Roblox client from the official website. Install Roblox and launch the game, and that should fix it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Roblox Error Code 0 Authentication Failed on Windows. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.